All right, so I don't know who needs to watch this video or who this video will be of great help to, but this is just to encourage someone out there that if you want to be a boss, you need to put all hands on deck. You need to work overtime. So if I tell you that this video is being shot at 12 a.m. on 4th of October, look at it, 12 a.m. This is 12 a.m. right? Now, it's not as if I am not tired or it's not as if I don't want to sleep, but because I know that if I happen to work more by this time, like gumming, doing cuttings and gumming, it will be of great help for me in the morning. So I usually use nights like this to work and to do my cuttings and gumming so that by tomorrow morning before 12, I am done with the sewing or the stitching aspect of this outfit. Now, when most people learn fashion designing, they feel they want to become a boss so that they can rest and other people around. Yeah, it's good to become a boss, but before you have the capacity to employ enough number of persons that will run your empire for you, you will know how many years you have spent in the field, in the business, because capital is one of the factors that can limit someone to pursue their dreams. But when capital is not available, you need to step up your game by doing the job by yourself. On the normal circumstances, if I have enough money to employ like 10 to 20 workers, possibly I won't be working by this time of the day. But even though I'm not working, there are still other jobs I will do behind the scene without recording. You get so this is like an eye opener, or rather an encouragement for most of us whom are already giving up. I've been in this work for over 18 years and I'm still working. I'm still stitching by this time. It's not as if I don't know how to, diversify my knowledge and how to improve on my craft, employ worker, but there's no fund, there's no capital. And most people think once you finish learning, you will get fund. Most cases, it's not true. You know, to source fund now, in Nigeria, it's not an easy task because there are a lot of things that you might wish to do with these funds, and these funds might not be available at the moment. And it's not as if the person you hoped on doesn't want to give you, but because of truth, maybe the person doesn't have for real, and you won't kill the person or you won't question yourself why is it this way or why is it that way, or you won't give up because of there's no fund. You will still need to, you know, take one step at a time until you get to your desired um, 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 result or outcome. So, if you are in this state or at this stage, you have learned sewing, you feel like giving up, there's no capital to buy machine, to do everything. Bear in mind that there's no what's it called? There's no late entry into success. Anytime you succeed, everything will still make sense to you, right? Everybody will be a boss, but not at the same time. Some persons will run this year, some persons will run next year, while some will run next 2 3 years. So it's better off that you start working on your craft, perfect your craft, so that when you get the capital, you will be able to invest it wisely as well. Because most people as well, when they get the capital, they blow it, like they don't invest it wisely. So this is just like an encouragement video to show you that if you are growing your brand, you need to work extra time, at least for the first 5 years, so that when your brand stands, you'll be able to, um, last for a long time. But if you don't prepare yourself by learning the craft very well, your brand will likely go into extinction within a short period of time. You get so all of this I'm saying is for you, for us to learn. So I'm highly encouraging us to keep up our good work, keep your heads high, and I am rooting for each and every one of you watching me in this video. So I don't know where you're watching me or when you get to see this video. So whenever you see this video, kindly drop a timestamp telling me the time and the date you are watching this video and telling me if this video um, came at the right time to motivate or encourage you to keep pushing. So I just hope this video will help someone out there. So you don't need to kill yourself if you are feeling like giving up. Brother, go back to the drawing board and plan properly. You get. So when you plan properly, you tend to, you know, rediscover yourself. You will tend to bounce back, than giving up. Just rest, learn to rest, and don't give up anytime soon. So I'm done with this garment now. So I will still cut one more or gun one more outfit, so that next time, that tomorrow morning, be around 9, I will start my work. Before 12:01, I am done with this job. And moreover, because of the light issue we have here, there is more stable electricity at night, uninterrupted, cool environment, in a very calm area. So that's why I'm working more at night. Thank you, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. So do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.